Parsing large amount of dates with pandas, scalability, performance drops faster than linear. I am facing a strange performance issue when parsing a lot of dates with pandas 0.17.1. For demonstration, I created CSV files with exactly one column, containing date times in the format the 31st of December 2015 13:01 and 1 second. The sample files contain 10K, 100K, 1 meter, and 10 meters records. I am parsing it like this. The elapsed times are 10K, 0.011s, 100K, 0.10s, 1 meter, 1.2s, 10 meters, 300s. You see, the time scales linearly to the number of records until 1 million, but then there is a huge drop. It's not a memory issue. I have 16 GB, and I work with dataframes of this size without any problems in pandas, only parsing of dates appears to be slow. I tried to use info_datetime_ format equals true, but the speed was similar. Also a huge drop for 10 meters records. Then I tried to register my own naive date parser. And the times are now 10K, 0.045s, 100K, 0.36s, 1 meter, 3.7s, 10 meters, 36s. The routine is slower than the default pandas parser on smaller files, but it scales perfectly linearly for the larger one. So it really looks like some kind of performance leak in the standard date parsing routine. Well, I could use my parser, but it's very simple, stupid, and apparently slow. I would prefer to use the intelligent, robust, and fast pandas parser, only if I could somehow solve the scalability issue. Would anyone have any idea if it could be solved, possibly by some esoteric parameter or something? Update. Thank all of you for your help so far. After all, it seems that there is a reproducible performance problem with dates parsing, but it has nothing to do with scalability. I was wrong in my original analysis. You can try to download this file, this URL, and parse it in pandas. The format and everything is correct, all the data are valid. There are only 100K records, but it takes 3 seconds to parse them, while it takes 0.1s to parse 100K records from the generated regular sequence. What happened? I did not generate my original testing data as a regular sequence, as at ext1 did. I was taking samples of our real data, and their distribution is not that regular. The sequence is overall growing by a constant pace, but there are some local irregularities and unordered pieces. And, apparently, in my 10 meters sample, there happened to be one section, which made pandas particularly unhappy and parsing took so long. It's only a tiny fraction of the file content that is responsible for all the slowness. But I was not able to spot any principal differences between that fraction and the rest of the file. Update 2. So, the cause of slowness was that there were some weird dates, like 20,124 1020. Apparently, I will need to do some more pre-processing before importing the data to pandas. Update. Look at this comparison. The only difference between those two DFS is in the row number 36,867, which I've manually corrected in the D column /download /slow_filtered.csv.gz file. Conclusion. It took pandas 39 times longer because of one row with a bad date, and at the end pandas left from column in the DF as a string. Old answer. It works pretty fair for me, pandas 0.18.0. Setup. Checks. Conclusion. It's a bit faster when I'm using date_parser where I'm specifying the date format, so read_CSV don't have to guess it. The difference is approximately 30%.
Okay, based on the discussion in the comments and in the chat room, it seems that there is a problem with ops data. Using the code below, he is unable to reproduce his own error.
Long to see what, please don't share, subscribe,